Hi everyone, I am Dr. M. Kameshwari, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Tyagarajar College of Engineering, Madurai 15. Now I am going to give lecture on Teaching Learning Center. The objective of a Teaching Learning Center is to create subject-based network of academicians willing to cooperate in searching and sharing of knowledge related to teaching and learning, to stand by in high quality research and technology, to promote Indian economy through world-class education. Why TLC? India is a rapidly changing country in which high quality education is of utmost importance for its future prosperity. The country is currently in a youth bulge phase. It has the largest youth population in the world, a veritable army of 600 million young people under the age of 25. Fully 28% of the population is less than 14 years of age, and with more than 30 babies being born every minute, population growth rates are expected to remain at around 1% for years. It is necessary to revamp our education system, and it is the right time for revamping. Launching Teaching and Learning Center supports in revamping our education system. TLC and its support. The TLCs will be set up at different levels such as university, schools or faculty for departments or centers and colleges. TLCs will promote on a continuous basis discipline-specific curricula, pedagogy, learning materials including e-content for use by the teachers in colleges and postgraduate departments. Benefits of TLC. It enhances the following metrics comprehensively, that is, collaborative teaching, interfacing between two different but allied subjects, faculty development, reduction in preparation time, improvement in the efficiency of content delivery, methodologies for content delivery, preparation of study material. It can either PowerPoint, video lecture or animation, etc. by oneself or from other resources. Orientation to emerging faculty by the domain experts. Recent advancement in research and technologies. Enabling of conceptual learning rather than computational learning. Knowledge sharing among the neighborhood fraternity, that's inside intra-departmental, interdepartmental, intercolleges. Finally, create network of expertise. Now let us see one by one the benefits of launch of Teaching Learning Center. We know that tell me I forget, teach me I remember, involve me I learn. Teachers are involving among themselves to learn more and for speedy learning. Collaborative teaching is one of the objectives in launch of Teaching Learning Center. As we all know that collaborative research and learning are very common, but collaborative teaching is very rare. Collaborative teaching has to be highly insisted for the transformation of lower level of cognitive to higher level of cognitive in students' learning. Different subject teachers collaborate among themselves for delivering better ideas for the classroom. CSCL, that is Computer Supported Collaborative Learning, is a pedagogical approach where learning takes place via social interaction using a computer or through the internet. This kind of learning is characterized by the sharing and constructed knowledge among participants using technology as their primary means of communication or as a common resource. CSCL can be implemented in online and classroom learning environments and can take place synchronously or asynchronously. The study of computer-supported collaborative learning draws on a number of academic disciplines including instructional technology, education psychology, sociology, cognitive psychology and social psychology. It is related to collaborative learning and computer-supported cooperative work. CSCL is used in instructional plans in classrooms, both traditional and online from primary schools to postgraduate institutions. One of the most common approaches to CSCL is collaborative writing. That is what we practiced in ITB 101X and 201X course. Technology mediated discourse refers to debates, discussions, and other social learning techniques involving the examination of a theme using technology. For example, wikis are a way to encourage discussions among learners, but other common tools include mind maps, survey systems, and simple message boards. Group exploration refers to the shared discovery of a place, activity, environment, or topic among two or more people. Students do their exploring in an online environment, use technology to better understand a physical arena, or reflect on their experiences through the internet. That is OER activity of ITB 201X, what we are doing now. Problem-based learning is a popular instructional activity that lends itself well to CSCL because of the social implications of problem solving. Complex problems call for rich group interplay that encourages collaboration and creates movement toward a clear goal. Project-based learning is similar to the problem-based learning in that it creates impetus to establish team roles and set goals. The need for collaboration is also essential for any project and encourages team members to build experience and knowledge together. Although there are many advantages to using software that has been specially developed to support collaborative learning or project-based learning in a particular domain, any file sharing or communication tools can be used to facilitate CSCL in problem or project-based environments. Applications like wikis, blogs, RSS feed, collaborative writing, video sharing, social networks, etc. are used for computer-supported collaborative learning. Specific strategies should be used for their implementation, especially regarding adoption by teachers and students, usability and quality in use issues, technology maintenance, pedagogy and instructional design, social interaction between students, privacy issues, and information system security. It also enhances interfacing between different but allied subjects. We all know that mathematics is a subject that interfaces with science and engineering. Similarly, science interfaces with engineering and mathematics. Engineering interfaces with science and mathematics for theory, experiments, and computations. Through teaching learning centers, we can conduct various faculty development programs for better learning. Teaching learning centers will help us to reduce the preparation time for the content delivery. It not only that, it also supplies a lot of information to the teachers. It helps us to improve the efficiency of the content delivery through video classrooms, visual classroom, online discussions, self-paced, mobile learnings, electronic simulations, instructor-led, interactive e-lessons. This efficiency goes in this way. Finally, it reaches the maximum height. TLC not only enhances the topics of content delivery, but also it helps us to know about the recent advancement in research and technologies like artificial intelligence, neural network, machine learning, deep learning, etc. It also enables conceptual learning rather than computational learning. The things like conceptual understanding, strategic competence, adaptive reasoning, productive disposition, procedural fluency all combine together in a binded way for enabling conceptual learning. Measuring cognitive load of a student after learning to a classroom is highly essential. A student may carry question mark all the times. Some of the students may be breaking their head and some students lie down with the question itself. So it is highly essential to measure the cognitive load after a classroom teaching that can be done through various machine learning techniques. ICT tools available in TLP can be understood through TLC, how technology is transforming homework and classrooms, and also virtual learning environment, learning management systems, learning content management systems can also be known through teaching learning centers. It also helps us to know about how to make time for active learning. Between 3 to 10 minutes of lecture, we should conduct 3 to 4 minute activity, and finally 5 to 6 minutes of the summary class. All these things can be learned through teaching learning center. And also we can come to understand about the best practices in teaching and learning. They are learn, reinforce, support, assess and validate. These things can be known well about through the course undergo in teaching learning center. Not only that, it also helps to share knowledge among the neighborhood fraternity, that is between intra and interdepartmental, between inter-colleges. Finally, it creates network of expertise. After undergoing a courses in teaching learning, that creates a networked teacher in this way. The teacher can have a network with their colleagues and attending with the person through the conferences.